Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Bruno, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my recipe for cheesy sausage balls. They're so delicious, so easy to make. It's a great appetizer, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to preheat your oven to 450, and you need a baking sheet that's lined with foil and sprayed with cooking spray. And all the ingredients will be listed down in the description box. So in my bowl, I have Italian hot sausage that I took out of the casing, and you can use any sausage you'd like. To that, I'm going to add the shredded cheddar cheese. Now this is Bisquick flour, okay? So you can use regular flour, self-rising flour. You need some parsley, some chopped onions, and some garlic powder, and the milk. And you're just going to combine all the ingredients. Like I said, this is so easy. So I'm just starting out using a fork, and eventually I'm going to be using my hands. Okay, so you just have to get in there and mix it all together. So once you have it mixed well, you're going to take either a tablespoon or a cookie scoop, scoop some out, and you're going to roll these into a ball. And then you're going to place them on a baking sheet that's lined with foil and sprayed with the cooking spray. So you just place it onto the sheet. So once you have them all rolled, you're going to be putting them into the oven, and the oven's set at 450, and it's going to cook between 12 and 15 minutes. The last minute, I would turn it up to broil just to get some color on it. And I'll show you what it looks like when I take it out. So I just took them out of the oven. I'm going to let them cool at least 5 minutes before I remove them from the foil. So here is my sausage cheese balls, and I'll show you what the inside looks like. Serve them with your favorite dipping sauce, and mine is the honey mustard. Okay guys, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.